Welcome to Life Hack Studio. In this video, we will share some incredible cooking hacks that you've never seen before. Get ready to unleash your inner chef and take your cooking skills to the next level. Spatula strain hack. Use a spatula to strain your pasta or veggies by placing it against the pot edge and tipping the pot slightly. Eggshell removal. Use a piece of eggshell to scoop out any small fragments left behind in your cracked eggs. Instant ice cream. Mix a mashed banana with a cup of Greek yogurt and freeze for a quick, healthy ice cream alternative. Cheese grater butter. Grate cold butter on a cheese grater for soft, easy to spread butter. Silicone lid trick. Use a silicone lid to cover pots and pans, preventing splatter while still allowing steam to escape. Avocado seed preservation. Store half an avocado with the seed intact to keep it fresh and prevent browning. Salt on cutting board. Sprinkle salt on a cutting board to prevent it slipping while chopping ingredients. Plastic wrap on blender. Cover your blender with plastic wrap before blending to prevent any mess and make cleanup a breeze. Freezing meat trick. Freeze your meat for 15–20 minutes before slicing to make it easier to cut into thin slices. Eggshell magic trick. Use crushed eggshells to scrub stubborn grime off pots and pans. The abrasive texture of the eggshells helps to remove even the toughest stains. Lemon zester hack. Use a lemon zester to easily shred blocks of cheese, instead of struggling with a grater. The small holes in the zester make it the perfect tool for finely shredding cheese. Coffee filter baking hack. Place a coffee filter in a sieve and use it to sift flour or powdered sugar. The filter will prevent clumps from forming and make your baked goods fluffier. Bread bag twist hack. Use a bread bag twist tie to hold the stem of a cherry or grape tomato, and then slice through the middle for easy cutting. Freeze fresh herbs hack. Freeze fresh herbs in olive oil or butter to preserve their flavor for months. Simply chop up the herbs, mix with your chosen fat, and freeze in an ice cube tray. Soggy-free salad. To prevent your salad from getting soggy, place a paper towel over the greens in your salad bowl. The paper towel will absorb any excess moisture and keep your salad fresh and crisp. Perfectly poached eggs. Add a dash of vinegar to the water when poaching eggs. The vinegar helps to coagulate the egg whites, resulting in a perfectly poached egg with no wispy bits. Crispy bacon in minutes. To make crispy bacon in minutes, place a cooling rack on top of a baking sheet and lay the bacon strips on the rack. Bake in the oven at 400 degrees for 15–20 minutes, depending on how crispy you like your bacon. Easy to peel hard-boiled eggs. Add a teaspoon of baking soda to the water when boiling eggs. The baking soda raises the pH of the water, making it easier to peel the eggs after they're cooked. Quick and easy garlic peeling. To easily peel garlic cloves, microwave the cloves for 15 seconds, then remove and peel off the skin. The heat from the microwave loosens the skin, making it easy to remove. Herb ice cubes. Freeze herbs in ice cubes to easily add flavor to soups, stews, and other dishes. Simply chop herbs and place in ice cube trays with water or broth. Make your own buttermilk. Mix 1 tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice with 1 cup of milk to create a quick substitute for buttermilk in recipes. DIY cooking spray. Save money and reduce waste by creating your own cooking spray. Mix equal parts oil and water in a spray bottle and shake well before use. Ripen avocados quickly. Place unripe avocados in a paper bag with an apple or banana overnight to speed up the ripening process. Reheat pizza in a skillet. Heat leftover pizza in a skillet on medium-low heat for a few minutes to get a crispy crust and melted cheese. Freeze leftover wine. Pour leftover wine into an ice cube tray and freeze for later use in cooking sauces or risottos. Perfectly juicy burgers. Create a small indentation in the center of the burger patty before cooking to prevent it from puffing up and to ensure even cooking. Freeze cookie dough. Save time and have fresh baked cookies anytime by freezing cookie dough balls and baking them as needed. Revive stale bread. Toast revival hack. Sprinkle water on stale bread, toast it for a few minutes, and enjoy crispy and fresh bread. Quick garlic peel. Microwave magic hack. Place a garlic bulb in the microwave for 15 seconds and watch the cloves pop out effortlessly. Perfect avocado. Oven ripening hack. Place an unripe avocado in the oven at 200 degrees for 10–15 minutes to ripen it quickly and perfectly. Easy lemon squeeze. Tongs lemon hack. Use tongs to get more juice out of a lemon by squeezing it between the tongs edges. Foolproof poached eggs. Whirlpool hack. Create a whirlpool in boiling water, drop the egg in the center, and let it cook for 3–4 minutes for a perfect poached egg. Fluffy eggs trick. Add a pinch of cornstarch to your scrambled eggs to make them extra fluffy. Fresh herb hack. Freeze fresh herbs in olive oil in an ice cube tray for convenient use in cooking. Quick peel potatoes. Boil potatoes with the skin on, then transfer them to cold water. The skins will slide right off. Mess-free bacon. Bake bacon in the oven on a wire rack placed on a baking sheet for a mess-free cooking experience. Lemon juice saver. Before juicing a lemon, roll it on a hard surface to help release more juice. Steamer basket hack. Place a layer of lettuce leaves or parchment paper in your steamer basket to prevent food from sticking. Fruit ripening trick. Place unripe fruits in a paper bag with an apple to speed up the ripening process. Grater cleanup. Use a pastry brush to easily clean a cheese grater by brushing in the opposite direction of the grating. Eggshell separator. Use half an eggshell to easily separate egg yolks from whites by cracking the egg into the shell. Toaster oven croutons. Toast cubed bread in a toaster oven for homemade croutons in minutes. Butter softener. Grate cold butter with a cheese grater for easy softening and spreading. Onion goggle alternative. Chew gum while chopping onions to prevent tears. Pancake batter dispenser. Use a ketchup bottle with a wide mouth to easily dispense pancake batter. Spice jar labeling. Use a whiteout pen to label spice jars for easy identification. Oven rack cleaner. Use a mixture of baking soda, dish soap, and vinegar to easily clean oven racks. Avocado pit saver. Leave the avocado pit in the half you're not using to prevent browning. Salad spinner hack. Use a salad spinner to easily remove excess water from cooked pasta or veggies. Cooking oil measurer. Use a tablespoon to measure cooking oil instead of pouring it straight from the bottle. Freeze ginger. Freeze ginger root to easily grate it for recipes without it going bad. Parchment paper liner. Line baking sheets with parchment paper for easy cleanup and to prevent sticking. Microwave steaming. Steam veggies in a microwave-safe bowl covered with plastic wrap for quick and easy cooking. Homemade whipped cream. Use a mason jar to easily make homemade whipped cream by shaking heavy cream with sugar. Silica gel packets. Keep a few silica gel packets in your brown sugar container to prevent clumping. Non-stick pan reviver. Use salt and a paper towel to clean a non-stick pan without damaging the surface. Coffee filter bouquet garnish. Use a coffee filter to wrap herbs or edible flowers to use as a garnish in dishes. Honey healer. Soothe a sore throat by mixing honey and apple cider vinegar in warm water and drinking it. Spice organization. Store spices in a drawer with labels facing up for easy identification. Juicy meat secret. Cover meat with salt for 20 minutes before cooking to retain moisture and enhance flavor. Thank you for watching this video on secret cooking hacks to take your cooking to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting and informative videos like this. Happy cooking!